Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mikey B here with Lucky Tides, and this is my Perception Pescador Pilot 12. Here is my fishing pole holder and tackle storage system that I'm going to show you guys how to build and give you the rundown on it. So I can hold 4 fishing pole holders in the back here. I have 3 spots in the front. Mine, I'm going to hold a net. I'm going to build a GoPro mount to go there and a flag here. And you also have these tackle bins that were $8 at Home Depot, $8 each. You can fit Plano boxes in here. This is the medium-sized Plano box, and still have room to put line, tools, whatever else you need in the back. Then you can also fit a milk crate in the middle that slides in and out, and you can put whatever you need to put in there. Also, for these pilots, I built it off these fishing pole holders here. So it slides right in there, and then it's held down by the elastic. So you literally don't need to drill any holes in the kayak. And that's the big plus on this, is no holes, no sinking. So let's take it apart, get some measurements, and get into it. All right, guys, first step is building this right here. In order to fit 4 fishing poles, I had to cut these down a little bit smaller. So I cut the edges off these so I could smash them together a bit more, and I cut them all down to about 3 3/4 each. That gives me enough room to fit 4 fishing poles in this tight space. So 1.5 inches here, and we're gonna glue these guys in between. A better idea, just go on the inside of these. And we want to make sure that we line them all up in a straight line. Now we have this, and our total length is about 15 inches. All right, guys, next piece is this right here, and these are just 1.5 tees. Link these together with 2.5 inch pieces of cut pipe. Get these nice and straight. All right, there we go. Now we have this. All right, guys, so next we're going to build these two. We have a 4-way and a T. We're going to link them together. These I already glued in, so I can't show you, but these are 1.5 inch to a threaded 1/2 inch. And these guys are where the boxes are going to sit, and then we're going to thread a cap to hold the boxes down. So like I said, those are already glued in, but that's what you're going to use there. So let's get these apart real quick. So here's these, and then we're going to link them together with a 3-inch piece here. And again, we need to get these as straight as possible. That looks pretty straight there. And then we're going to glue this in the T side, and that's another 3-inch piece. Two of them done. Now we just need to take these 2 3/4 inch pieces, get them jammed into the ends. All right, guys, so next we're gonna take these pieces, 2 1/4, get them in here. And again, you should be putting your glue inside here. I don't know why I did that. It just makes a mess. And I did it again. Then we're gonna take these 2 1/4 and add them to this one. And we got that. I went beforehand and got these guys level because I need it to be perfectly straight, you know? Perpendicular, I guess. So I made marks to line them up. So when I glue them, I know they're nice and straight. Next, we're gonna glue these 90s on here. All right, lastly, we're gonna take these two and we're gonna glue them in there. And since this has gotta go on at once, we gotta glue both sides. Next, we're going to take these. They are 4 3/4. And we're going to glue them in here. All right, let's test fit this now. See how it fits. Hey, fits nice. Next, we're gonna fit these legs in here. Depending on what you do, if you don't have the cart, you can just put, you know, maybe 6-inch. You're gonna have to measure first to be sure, but you wanna stabilize this back. Doesn't really need it, but you can put a 6-inch about piece right here that's gonna touch the bottom and keep that back stable. I use these because it fits my cart. I'm actually only gonna glue these in here. I'm not gonna glue the rest of this together yet because I wanna have some movement there. I don't know the exact dimensions of my cart, so I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that for now. So just gonna glue these in here. If you are interested in building these, 290s, this is about 3.5. It's going into here. And then you just cut a small piece to go in there so those can butt up. These are just butted up next to each other, so it doesn't really matter what the size is, just don't cut it too big. And these guys go like so. This is gonna go like so. Bam. Nice and sturdy. I like it. So now my cart, which I haven't glued yet either, still kind of incomplete. That's why I wanted to go ahead and not glue those. Cart's gonna fit just like so. Then these guys, my back ones for my fishing poles are 9.5. My front ones I did a little bit smaller. They are about 7. You know, you can do these whatever sizes you want. This, I found the back was the perfect size for fishing poles. I'm not gonna glue these either, just in case I wanna change the sizes in the future. These guys can all go in. Bam, so that's what that looks like. Okay, so here's my boxes. These guys I got from Home Depot, $8. Drilled holes in them using a cone bit. I suggest you get a cone bit. These guys are awesome. Can drill to any size. You can go through thick sheets of metal, whatever. These are great. So the bottom of this is really flimsy, but the idea is it fits here. Then I have these plugs. Screw in, screw another one in here, bam. But since the bottom's flimsy, what I did was I got a sheet of plexi, which was maybe like $10. Cut these guys to size, and one fits in the bottom of the box and one fits on the bottom of the box. So now when I put these guys in, it acts as a spacer, a washer, and it just really stabilizes everything up. So now it's a lot more sturdy. I don't have to worry about the just how thin the bottom is. Now, I think I have my plexi facing the wrong way, or maybe this one goes on the other side because this isn't lining up perfect. But that's the idea there. And I'm going to keep these guys off right now because I want to paint. But boom, that sits there. This other one, same thing. Bam, we'll tighten those guys up with a wrench. Voila. And then a crate fits right in between. Now I'm going to get this guy all painted, put it back on, show you the finished product. There it is, guys. All finished up, got it all painted, did a flat black undercoat, then did some kind of lime green splatter on top of it to match the kayak. And when it's dark, it almost looks black. When the sun shines, the green really stands out. So I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know what you guys think, and if you need any more details, any measurements, anything I left out, because I'm sure I did. And let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, best of luck out there fishing, and we hope you have some lucky tides. Peace.